this video I'll show you how to make idli. For this we need 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of split black mapte beans and half cup of the pink lentils. I have soaked rice in a bowl in water and the other 2 lentils in another bowl in water. These I have soaked overnight. Then I'm going to grind these 2 separately. So I'm grinding the soaked split black mapte beans and pink lentils to a fine paste. I'll be pouring the fine paste of this one into a bowl. Now I'm grinding soaked rice for 6 minutes. Grinding is done now, so I'm going to pour the grounded rice into the same bowl. Now I'm mixing them together and putting the lid on. I'll be keeping this mixture for it to rise or ferment overnight. So this idli batter I had kept overnight for fermentation. Now it has fermented, so I'm going to add salt to this to taste, and also little baking powder. Baking powder is optional, so I'm mixing it well after adding salt and baking powder. So I'll be using egg poacher to steam idlis. It is like this. So I'm going to smear these poachers with some oil. So that idlis don't stick to that. You can also use idli stand for this. So I'll be pouring idli batter onto this. Like this I pour onto all. Now it is ready to steam. I'm going to close the lid and turn the heat on so I'm heating it up, and after I see steam coming out, I will reduce it to sim and keep for 15 minutes for idli to get cooked. So while the idlis are getting steamed, I would like to say you can use only rice and urad dal or split black mapte beans, and the pink lentil, which is also called as masoor dal, is optional. Even otherwise idlis turn out very well. Now idlis are getting steamed and they look like this. So I have put all these egg poachers onto a kitchen towel because they are really hot. After they get cooled a little bit, not too much, I'm going to take out the idlis. Now fresh idlis are ready to eat. You can eat with ketchup, coconut chutney, onion chutney, any type of chutney. So in one of my next videos I will show how to make chutney. Thanks for watching Kitchen Karma.